YouTube. Alright, I got the car booked into the Auto Electrics tomorrow to have a whole heap of work done. We'll talk more about that tomorrow. But in yesterday's video I touched a little bit on the second battery, which is also going to power the camper trailer and the tent and all that sort of stuff. There's also going to be another couple of batteries in the camper trailer. Okay, let's first of all open this box up. Now these boxes are extremely dust proof and they're water resistant because of the rubber seal. But as you can see, that's no joke. That's an e-solar. Okay. 100 amp hour at the C10 rating. Alright. Solar battery. So that's the battery, and as you can see, that's a pretty big box. And it pretty much fits in there nicely. As a matter of fact, you could almost say that that particular cabinet, or whatever you want to call it, under tray storage, was built for it, which it was. So what am I going to charge these with? Oh my god, what's that? Shock horror. Who said they wanted to see me in a straw hat? Just so happens I have a straw hat. Anyway, we're going to be fitting this little unit. Now, I don't know what to do with this damn thing. Anyway, that's the cover. Let's make sure I've got this right. Yep, about that. Alright, now a lot of people get sidetracked into relay devices and expensive things that cost upwards of $300–400, okay? Now, I like projector. You all know I like projector. I've got 3 projector chargers. I've got projector trickle chargers. They've never let me down. Now this particular projector device is a DC solar battery charger. Okay, let's just scroll down here so you can have a look. You can look it up yourselves. Okay, let's open the box. Oh, first of all, there's the part number if you want to look it up. Now this is an Australian product, proudly. This is the IntelliCharge one. Let's have a look at the back of the box. Okay. Again, before you buy a product, please make sure it'll do the batteries you want it to do. If you intend to make your own lithium pack out of flashlight batteries, or 18650s they're called, I believe, and please make sure the voltages required will do that job. Okay, now new cars today have got what's called an intelligent alternator. Okay, and this is really small. That's it. My hand, I've got small hands, for people that know me can attest. My hands, my father called them mechanics hands, because I could absolutely get them into places that he just couldn't get his great big paws. But anyway, let's have a look at this. Okay, it's tiny, it's all boxed in there. It comes with a few cable ties, some heat shrink and some joiners. Okay, and it's tiny, and on the front it's in this box good. Let's see if I can. Now this is the IntelliCharge. Now how can you tell the difference between an IntelliCharge one and an old charge and an old one? See that VO2 right there? That says it's an IntelliCharge. Okay, this thing is just tiny. That's what the front of it looks like, okay? Alright. Now, there's a basic wiring diagram, but you can look these up for yourselves really if you're interested. We paid just over $200 for it instead of the $300 plus, $400 plus relay type ones. And we all know the relays can jam and not come on and not work. This is just awesome. It's also got an inbuilt MPPT charge controller, so it'll dual charge off a solar panel, an alternator, through to the batteries. The LED indicator goes in the cab somewhere there, let you know that everything's working. Yeah, they're pretty good. Go and have a look at the PDF file. Just type in projector IntelliCharge DC solar battery charger. It's a simple 3-stage switch mode charging piece of cake. It will charge off the alternator and solar panel at the same time. The alternator and solar panel assist, or when you're stopped, the solar panel will keep topping up your batteries. Now I'm also going to have solar panels on the camper trailer, so that should all work well. Alright, and that's basically it. Totally awesome. Okay, I'll do another video tomorrow when I'm back from the, well, I'll do one while I'm at the auto electricians. Keep safe, bye for now.